I'm from Pak-Turk Maarif International Schools and Colleges. Today we are going to share our experience of participating in TRT 45th International April 23rd Children's Festival.
We presented the Punjabi culture to the world, where we performed the folk traditional Pakistani Bhangra music. The boys wore vibrant colors of the Punjabi kurta and a tehmat, whereas the girls wore choli and ghagra. It was indeed a really fun-loving and joyful experience. We all enjoyed it a lot.
I feel so proud because I represented my country Pakistan, including all other 25 countries in Ankara. First, we were granted a special permission to visit Anat Kabir Atatürk Museum. After that, we went to TRT and met their CEO. We personally had a lunch with him and got this souvenir. We were also provided with a special protocol which made us feel so special and comfortable.
One of the most amazing things I loved is their traditional cuisine, which makes your day happy. I tasted baklava, a type of sweet, also traditional Iskandar kebab, Adana kebab, Urfa kebab, Doner kebab were delicious and yummy.
During our stay there, we got the chance to visit different historical places in the city of Istanbul. We went to the historical Hagia Sophia, beautiful Blue Mosque and Topkapi Palace. I would really like to thank Pak-Turk Maarif for taking us on this fully funded trip to Türkiye.
Bu fırsat için Türkiye Maarif Vakfı'na teşekkür ederim.